How's it going, YouTube? Small Engine Kid here. Today we have a couple Poulan Pro 2150 chainsaws, and I gotta do fuel lines on both of them. The old ones are all dry rotted and cracked as soon as you touch them, and these are really annoying and hard to do. So I'll show you guys some tips and tricks that I use to install these. All right, first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to grab the fuel line recommended or specified for your chainsaw, and you're gonna want to cut this on a very big angle. So usually people just do about 1/2 inch, but I do about 2 inches up to 3 inches. So I'll show you how to do that. So what I do, I grab side cutters and I cut this on an angle, right? So usually people just do it like that, but I make it as long as possible. Once it's like, I don't know, 2 inches or so, kind of shape it, make it longer. The longer the better. So mine's about, I don't know, 2 inches. So it's about from here to here. You're gonna want, like, it's just half of it, half the line is cut. Okay, so you're gonna want to put it into your chainsaw. All right, once you have your fuel line angle cut, insert the fuel line into the hole there. It's gonna be really hard to do this one-handed, but just like that. Now flip your saw, and if you look in there, you should be able to see the fuel line poking through, and that's where you get some long needle nose. Grab in the fuel line that you see. If you don't see it, you might have to get a light, but it's really hard to see with no light, but you feel it when you poke through there. Now grab your long needle nose. I'm gonna try and put the camera somewhere so I can show you guys. All right, so fuel line is in there. Now grab your long needle nose. You're gonna want to try and feel for the fuel line here. It's really annoying to get to it. There, I grabbed it a little bit. Once you grab it, slowly pull on it. I got it here. Sometimes you might rip it, but go back in the tank. Kind of work your way down with it. It takes a while, but it's there. All right, so when you grab your needle nose, you pinch the line, and you use the tank as some leverage, and you just push forward. Keep going, and the line slowly comes in. See, if you look down there, the fuel line is right through. So both lines are in. And now your other line, so you're gonna cut it, give yourself enough length for your carb, so you're gonna cut it right there. And then the access line will be for your primer line, and then your return for the tank. All right, we're back in the shop with better lighting. So you got your fuel filter line, which is through here, and it's this one right here. Then you got the return for when you pump it. This sucks up the air or the fuel into the carb, and then your other line is going to be from your carb to the primer bulb. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's a lot easier that way. If you follow those tricks, you could probably get it done in about 20 minutes or so. Thanks for watching. If you could leave a like, comment, and subscribe, I'll see you guys in the next Small Engine video.